Good morning, guys. Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. We are going to do a real quick Bitcoin update, expanding upon the one from yesterday, where we had potentially put our A, B, C, D, and E of our triangle as possibly being completed. That actually did not happen, and it looks like our C potentially has extended. So this triangle, as of right now, is still technically valid, just with an extension in the C instead of that being a possibly E in a completed triangle. Now what we need to see is a drop down below to put down our D, and then an E, and then fall out of the triangle to the downside if this is indeed a four-wave triangle. I did take off the ending diagonal count because it's just getting way too sloppy, and it's hard for me to keep that validated the way this thing is consolidating here and how choppy it is. It looks more like a triangle of some sort. The other scenario also is that this is an alt 4, meaning that this is some sort of ABC, like a W, and then this could be an X wave, and then we would have a Y up, or it could just be an A. This is some funky B, and then we'll have an impulsive C wave up. So that is still possible that we wick up above this range here and then drop below it. But again, if we start to trade and sustain above this high here, on higher time frames, then I'm going to have to assume that something else is going on. It is possible, again, that this is a WXY and that the bottom is in, and we are working on, some sort of a leading diagonal, or I guess it is kind of possible. I don't really see this as an impulsive structure here, but I know I at one point dove into the weeds, and I could make an argument that it's an extended 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It would be real ugly and sloppy at best, but it is possible. So if we do bottom, I would probably assume that this is going to end up being some sort of a leading diagonal in our third wave up. But until then, I'm going to go ahead and assume that this sloppy, choppy PA and this consolidation here of this triangle looking pattern is some sort of a four wave. So that is basically my assumption still at the moment. So we'll see what happens. See y'all later.